Hey, what's up, guys? So we have a 2009 Mercedes C300. Yep, 4MATIC. Same model until 14, I think. We have a crank. We have a no crank, no start on this car. Put the key in, doesn't do nothing. So barely anything. Well, the dash lights up, but doesn't do anything. So try to crank it. If you ever want to test the starter, you can start it with the starter relay over here. If you want to jump the pins 30 to 87, this one here and this one on top of it, you bridge them over and you see if it cranks. Make sure the pin is receiving voltage, and you can send it to the starter signal solenoid. So you can test it over here. It tested fine, it cranked, but obviously no start because we have a communication problem on this car. And found out this car has some flooding. So this car was right now, remove the drain holes, plugs, and let all the water drain out. But these, check out these, if you have flooding over here, these CAN bus connector module that they use, that go over here on the floor panel. There's 3 or 4 of them. Found out this one was fine, this one too was fine, but the last one, look at that, guys, corrosion. Let's see. Corrosion on top. So it's gonna be needing a new CAN bus connector module. So check out for that. So sometimes still on the C300, the SAM module underneath the fuse box. You have water damage, it can damage it too. So hope it helps. Okay, guys, so when you remove the carpet lining and all the protectors and everything, check for each of these. They're called CAN bus junction connector modules, and this one over here, and this one. Remove the pins out of it and check the board itself if it's corroded because of water. This was the old one. It was full of corrosion, and it's a good idea to mark which connector went where. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you mark the cables of each connector so you don't lose track. And yeah, so now this one is changed. Check for each of them, and now here, start it up. Now it's problem solved. Now obviously you're gonna have to find out the source of why it's accumulating water over here. As you can see, I think it's because of the sunroof drain or the AC drain. So I'm gonna check out on these 2 possibilities. But yeah, guys, hope it helps. These are on any Mercedes C series or any that have these type of module on the floorboard. Make sure to check that first, and then hopefully your Mercedes is gonna start. Alright, guys, peace, take care.